how to fix iPhone text message sound not working. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll show you the entire process of how to fix iPhone no sound on text message. This is a common problem amongst a lot of iPhone users, so they aren't unable to read oncoming text in time. So that's a problem, it's super bothering, and in this video I'll show you how to fix this problem in detail. I have two strategies, two methods I've tried. So yeah, a few methods I tried myself, so now let's jump right into the video. But also guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video for more how-to videos, and also please follow along with me so you don't miss any steps. So watch this video until this very end. So the first thing that you need to do is to turn off the ring or the silent mute switch you have on your iPhone. The switch is like located on the left side of your iPhone, and it doesn't show a red line if it is off. Alright? That's really important. Right, look, when I'm turning off, you'll see here a notification. Look, silent mode off, silent mode on, silent mode off, silent mode on. Really simple. Another tip that I have for you. Okay guys, so please follow me, go to settings and now scroll down till you see notifications. Notifications right here between VPN and sounds. Now tap on the notification, scroll down to messages, and here please tap on allow notifications, because if this is turned off, then that's the reason why you aren't getting or you don't see any message sound. You don't. Okay, and here once you activate allow notifications, now make sure the sounds right here is not none. It's not none. If it's none like here, then that ain't good. It's not good. So choose from here a sound that will notify you when you receive a message. That's really important. Alright, so yeah, as I said, allow notifications, and then choose a sound here. Another thing that you can do guys is to restore your iPhone. This can really help, because if you restore your iPhone, or when you restore your iPhone, some small glitches will be solved, will be deleted. This could really help, so you should try to restart your iPhone. So what you need to do in order to restart your iPhone is to, if you have a iPhone 10 to iPhone 13, so you need to press and hold either the volume button and the side button until the power off slide appears, and just drag the slider to turn off your iPhone, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Now if you have iPhone SE 2 generation, you need to press and hold the side button to access the power off slider, then drag the slider to power off your device. Lastly, press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo shows. If this setting didn't work, if this didn't fix your problem, I recommend you guys to reset all iPhone settings. So what you need to do in order to reset all iPhone settings is to go to settings and then tap on general. Now once you're in the general tab, right here you need to choose reset, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, and now you need to tap on reset, and now here you need to tap on reset all settings. You need to confirm this operation, because this is really important. Now guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you tried this methods, and one of these methods really solved their problem, because I'd be really happy to hear that in the comments that this video helped you. So if this video helped you guys, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.